In this video, I'll guide you on how to set up an Educator account with BandLab Education. This tutorial will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to easily set up an account, ensuring that you are well prepared to explore all the possibilities that BandLab has to offer in your class. First off, please make sure you're at edu.bandlab.com. Next, you're going to click Start as Teacher. Then, enter your name. Next, enter an email. And finally, create a simple password that's easy to remember and click Sign Up. After you sign up, you're going to be asked to complete a CAPTCHA. Click Verify. Next, just click Continue because there is no real reason to change the username and you can always change your photo or add a photo later. Congratulations, you've just created your very first Educator's account within BandLab Education.